Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I build this A-frame ladder. This particular ladder is 3-in-1, which means that this A-frame ladder can be used in 3 easy way. So I've been using this ladder for almost 3 to 4 months now, and it's really useful because I'm working on the ceiling and most likely on the part that I cannot reach. So this one is really useful. The first feature of this one is that this one is A-frame with 2 ladder on each side, so you can just use this one as simple A-frame ladder. And also the second feature, if you're going to straight this one and use it as a straight ladder, you can also use this one. And also the third feature of this one will be a scaffolding. So there will be a platform in between, and then you're going to detach this two and separate this one. So that's gonna be the feature of this one. And I think that's it. So let's get into the build process, and you're watching DIY Architect. Hi, my name is Efren. I'm a designer, architect, and I also love building DIY project. If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button on the right. And if you love building DIY project, please like this video and share it. Then also please hit the bell notification if you want to see more of my project in the future. So these are the materials I'm going to use for this build. This first 2 sets here is longer, and this one is the shorter one. This longer is 180 centimeters, and also this other one here is 160 centimeters, and this one is just 40 centimeters here. There's 2 sets because I'm going to use these steps for this one, and also for this 1x1 steel. I'm going to use this one for this one. So I'm just going to weld this one now, and then I'm going to assemble this afterwards. So it's welding time. Before I'm going to full weld everything, I'm just going to tack weld it first to make sure that everything is fine.
What we do here is go back.
After that, I made a hinge part, which is made of the same material as the post. what I'm cutting here are the caps for the holes, because this one is a hollow metal. It's a rectangular tube, 1x2, so I'm going to use the same material to cap the holes to prevent the water and dust or any particles going in. And now I'm going to drill these holes for the bolts. This part is going to be the hinge part, so I'm going to use 10mm bolt here as the hinge. Then I'm going to weld this hinge part to the main ladder. Then after the parts fit, I welded the metal caps for the holes of the rectangular tube or the post to prevent the water and ground soil from getting in. Then after it's complete, I clean everything with a flat disc with angle grinder, then paint it with epoxy primer red oxide to prevent it from weather and rusting, of course. for the scaffolding feature, I'm just going to use this bamboo as the platform, but you can still use steel if you're going to build this one. I just use bamboo because we have a lot and I don't have any metal right now. And now it's all done and it's time for testing. So if I'm going to use this as a straight ladder, I'm just going to use this belt strap to hold everything. And I already tested this one. As you can see in this video, it really holds steel, so I think it's safe. I'm almost 80 kilograms and I think this ladder passed the test because it can carry me when I'm also, even though I'm on the top of the straight ladder. So I really love this DIY ladder and I think this is the best ladder. You can buy a lot of aluminum ladder in the hardware, but then I think no ladder can do what this ladder can. And also this one is a lot more cheaper than the commercial one. There's one I think closer, which is the foldable aluminum ladder, which has 4 individual parts. But then if you're going to make it as a scaffolding, it only has one setting, or you cannot adjust the height. So I think this is a win for me. Please let me know in the comment section below what do you think about this project, and until next time, thank you for watching. You're watching DIY Architects.